So I'm stuck out here. I'm a long ways away from civilization, and I don't really have any camping gear. I don't have any way to start a fire, and I think if the sun's going down before I get more lost, I'm just going to cuddle up for the night. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. So that was a really good night's rest. You know, with some ingenuity, you can always work out a nice little bed made out of leaves and dirt. And hey, you know what? It was 20 degrees last night, but you know, I did the best I could, and you know, I'm still here. So let's get going back on the road. My buddy was nice enough to loan me his cool little cabin out here in the middle of nowhere. And I couldn't get the bike up here, unfortunately, but you know, that's okay. I got this nice cozy fire going. Thanks. Yeah, we're just gonna enjoy some of this winter wonderland, and away we go. So a couple of observations I've had about the GSA, and you know, I bragged and bragged about how smooth that the Goldwing was, but I'll tell you, this thing is really not a long ways off. As far as the ride and the handling and suspension goes, this thing is really dynamite. It is head and shoulders above the XR, and the XR is a completely different type of bike. This is definitely more of an adventure slash cruiser bike. It is just much smoother. It's got the same ESA system, but I don't know if the algorithms have it a softer setting suspension or smoother, or it's just the weight alone. This thing weighs, you know, a good solid 70-80 pounds more than an XR does, and maybe that's just the suspension that much smoother. I don't know. Either way, I'm very impressed with the ride on this thing. The engine is just silky smooth. Comment, like, subscribe, because who knows, I may not even make it back after this. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Take care now. Bye bye then.